For many Loves Park homeowners, energy efficiency is a top priority, especially when trying to keep heating and cooling costs under control throughout the year. While replacing old windows is a common upgrade, one area that's often overlooked is the entry and patio doors. If your doors are older, warped, drafty, or poorly insulated, they could be responsible for significant energy loss in your home. Upgrading to new, energy-efficient replacement doors is one of the smartest improvements you can make for long-term comfort and savings. Here's how modern replacement doors help Loves Park residents enjoy a more energy-efficient, comfortable home year-round. Better insulation to reduce drafts and temperature swings. Older doors, especially wood doors that have warped over time or aluminum doors without proper insulation, tend to let in cold air during winter and hot air during summer. Even small gaps around the frame or worn weather stripping can lead to noticeable drafts. New replacement doors offer insulated cores that help stabilize indoor temperatures, improved weather stripping around all edges, stronger, tighter seals when closed, reduced air infiltration in extreme temperatures. These improvements mean your home stays warmer in winter and cooler in summer, improving overall comfort while reducing energy waste. Modern materials designed for efficiency. Today's replacement doors are engineered with high-performance materials that outperform older styles. These modern materials stand up to Loves Park's seasonal weather changes, cold winters, humid summers, and everything in between. Popular energy-efficient door materials include fiberglass doors, which resist warping and offer excellent insulation, steel doors with insulated foam cores, composite doors that combine strength, moisture resistance, and efficiency. These materials create a stronger thermal barrier, preventing heat transfer and improving long-term energy performance. Energy-efficient glass panels that reduce heat loss for doors with glass inserts. The type of glass matters. Older glass panes often allow significant heat gain in summer and heat loss in winter. Modern replacement doors use advanced glass technology to prevent this. Advanced glass features include double or triple pane glass, low emissivity coatings, argon gas between panes for added insulation, thermal breaks to prevent heat transfer through the frame. These updates make glass panel doors far more efficient than older versions, perfect for entry doors, patio doors, and side lights. Reduced HVAC strain and lower energy bills. Because new replacement doors keep indoor temperatures stable, your heating and cooling system doesn't have to work as hard. This means fewer heating cycles in winter, less air conditioning use in summer, reduced wear and tear on HVAC components, lower monthly utility bills over time. These savings can be significant, helping your door replacement pay for itself. Eliminating air leaks with professional installation. Even the most energy-efficient door won't perform well if it's not installed correctly. Professional replacement ensures the door fits perfectly in the existing opening, with no gaps or alignment issues that allow air to escape. Professional installers ensure tight, secure door placement, precise frame alignment, proper insulating foam around the door frame, correct sealing and exterior caulking. This maximizes your door's energy-saving potential and protects your home from drafts and moisture. Increased comfort in every season. Loves Park homeowners often notice immediate improvements after a new door installation. Rooms feel more comfortable, temperatures stay more consistent, and drafts disappear. Comfort benefits include less cold air near entry doors in winter, cooler indoor temperatures during hot summer days, reduced humidity from outdoor air infiltration, a more stable, comfortable indoor environment. These improvements enhance your home's overall livability year-round. A long-term investment that adds value. Energy-efficient replacement doors aren't just a comfort upgrade, they're a financial one. They increase your home's resale value, improve curb appeal, and help attract future buyers who prioritize efficiency and modern features. Final thoughts. Replacing your doors is one of the easiest ways to boost your home's energy efficiency and overall comfort. For Loves Park residents, new replacement doors offer a strong thermal barrier, advanced insulation, and reduced drafts, all while enhancing your home's style and value. Whether you're upgrading an aging entry door or improving your patio entrance, modern replacement doors deliver benefits that last for years.